All right, today we're going to be testing out these handy door window alarms. So they come in a 5-pack and they're super easy to set up. Each one has spots for 2 AAA batteries. And basically there's 2 pieces. There is what's called the alarm host and the magnet. And the magnet, you'll see there's a little arrow. It aligns with the side of the device. So you can mount this anywhere. You can mount it on a door or a window. Whenever the device detects that the magnet has moved more than 10 millimeters, it will set off the alarm. It's going to get up to 120 decibels, which is very loud. That means you're going to hear it anywhere in the house. You can use this on windows or doors. And it has a couple different modes you can select. The first one is the standard intruder mode. So basically when the device detects that the door or window is open, it's going to set off an alarm and it's going to run for 1 minute until you press the set button on it. Second mode is more of a chime. It just lets you know that the door is open. So if you want to know anytime anyone goes in and out of the front door or back door, that's easy to set up. Setting 3, whenever the door is opening, the alarm makes a loud sound until it's closed again. This could even be good for knowing when a fridge or freezer door is left open. And then number 4 is just an open reminder. Before we set it up on our window here for a test, let's go ahead and check out and see what this is like. Holy cow, super loud. I had to cover my ears. And what's interesting about that mode is when I reattached the magnet, it didn't want to go off. It only went off when I switched it off or pressed the set mode. So as an intruder alarm, it's going to make a whole lot of racket and it's going to be hard for that individual to figure out how to turn it off. So basically that gives it time to scare them off and for anyone else to be alerted of the intrusion. So this is mode 2. What's that do? Basically just a warning whenever it's open. This is setting 3, which is an open alarm. You can see that whenever it closes again, it turns off. And now setting 4 is just a little open alarm. That's just going to be a chime. Say maybe you want to know when someone's going in and out of a door. It's just a gentle chime. It's not a super loud siren like the other one. So far I'm super impressed with how loud this thing is. When the first alarm went off, my wife came walking down the hall and she was wondering what was going on. All right, so using the provided sticky tabs, we were able to mount our little security device right here. You can see how it kind of blends in. It's not super obvious it's there. Woo! Yeah, she works. She works. So this one, I just want to be the open warning. So we're gonna set this to number 4. So now, when the window opens, it should just be kind of a gentle beep. Yep. Nice. So just a great little window and door security alarm set that just works. It doesn't require any extra smart features. It's very loud, and depending on the setting that you want to put it on, you're always going to know when you have an open door or window. Huge thanks to the brand for sending these out to review.